So today we talk about 5.6 system of linear inequalities. For a system of equation, you have three types of methods to solve, right? Graphing, which I'm not recommending unless they make you to, substitution, and elimination. For system of equation, you're looking for what? The intersection, yes? Now, for inequality, it's different. Do you guys remember how you draw inequality? You pick a test point, you shade. So that's your solution, the whole shading area. So imagine you have one shading area and another shading area, then the solution will be the overlap shading area, right? So it's no longer one solution. It's gonna be infinitely many solutions, which is the overlapping area. Or sometimes if they parallel and the shading kind of moving away from each other, you don't have no solution because there's no overlapping. But I'll show you the example. Number 5 on the worksheet, 5A. Imagine I want to solve. Come on, imagine I want to solve. Hang on, let me connect my Apple Pencil to the. Well, it have some battery. I want to solve this system of equation. If I was you, I'm going to change this into slope-intercept form. So for the first equation, if I divide both sides by 2, I have y greater than x over 2 minus a divided by 2 is 4, right? And then the bottom, and this is a little bit more work. The bottom, I have to do what? Subtract x, right? Maybe I'll use black, it doesn't see with red. Subtract x both sides, subtract x both sides. That's gone, yes. Now I have negative 2y less than negative x minus 4. What do I do next? Divide both sides by negative 2, right? Divide both sides by negative 2. When you divide both sides by negative 2, what happened? What happened? So on the left-hand side, that's just y. So now I have y is less than or greater than? When you divide or multiply both sides by a negative number, what happened? You flip the sign, right? You flip the sign. So now it's going to be y greater than x over 2. The minus becomes positive. So that's the second equation. Y greater than x over 2 plus 2. Look at it similar. Okay, let me cloud this. So it just scrapbook here. Let me cloud that. All right, so now I'm gonna first equation. Maybe I'll use red. Y is greater than x over 2 minus 4. Do you guys remember the step you used to solve for this? You said, was nobody doing on the exam? I don't know why. You said y equal x over 2 minus 4. And then what do you do? How you figured out the line? You rise over run, right? Rise over run. So what's the slope here? Someone tell me what the slope here? Huh? 1 over 2. Thank you, Justin. 1 over 2. And then the y-intercept? Good. 0, negative 4. I want to see 0, negative 4. So from 0, negative 4, which is right here, 0, negative 4, you rise up 1, go right 2. 1, go right 2. And now that's the second dot. Then you connect the dot. It's going to be solid line or dotted line. Let me show you the inequality. Solid or dashed? Dash, right? Because there's no equal to, right? There's no equality, so it's going to be dash. Thank you. Dash. And I want to know which side I'm going to shade. So I need a test point. Yeah, 0, 0. Maybe I'll put a little. So TP test point 0, 0, and you plug it into. I maybe go ahead and plug into the original, okay? So we don't have to argue which one to plug. It's not wrong you plug it here, but I want you to plug into the original so that you never get it wrong. So I'm gonna plug into the top one. 2 times 0 greater than 0 minus 8, which is 2 times 0 is 0. Is 0 greater than negative 8? True or false? True. It's true. It's true. What does that mean? Yeah. I mean, you shade that area. That's the solution. Okay. For the first line. Now it's the second one, the bottom one. I'll use blue. The bottom one, I'll use blue. I'm running out. Here, this one, the bottom one. Again, I'm gonna set this same thing. I'm gonna set y equal x over 2 plus 2. And then you do the same thing, rise over. So m is 1/2. What's y-intercept here? Yeah, 0, 2. So 0, 2 right here. And then rise 1, run over 2. This is right here. And then you graph dash line or solid line? Dash, another dash. Test point, 0, 0, my favorite test point. You plug it into the original, which is the bottom one. I have x minus 2y less than 4. So plug it in 0 minus 2 times 0 less than 4. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? True, right? If it's true, then oh darn it, hang on. I'm shading whatever below the blue line. I'm shading that whatever below the blue line. Can you see the solution now? What is the solution here? I say I'm almost done. Well, I'm done. I'm done. Actually, I'm done. What is the solution? What is the overlapping area? You go with the darker one, right? That's where the two colors meet. That's your solution. That's where the overlapping area. Think of it like Republican and that's Democrat. And they come to a compromise. They have the common ground, so we don't have a government shutdown. Right? Hopefully we don't. They're thinking about it. All right. Okay, so that's solution. So now don't just leave me hanging. You have to tell me that's a solution. So what you're gonna do is maybe you say like this. No. You just give me an arrow and say that's a solution, just like I did. Like arrow where the region. The region is the sandwich between the two lines there. So everybody here, everyone in here, infinitely many, those are solution of the system. Okay. I know one of them is solution 0, 0 is there, right? Okay. So how you feeling? Is that okay? Yeah. It's like you did this before, right? Instead of do one, you do two of them. Same thing.
So like where does it intersect that or whatever?
Yeah, it is. So this is red, 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 and then blue is from here down, down, down. So the overlapping between the red and blue is this part, right?
So like on the final exam, what would I say? Like
The same solution.
just direct
That's
the
it.
arrow. Okay.
Yeah, show me where solution. Put the arrow somewhere you say that it's solution
Okay.
and say solution. That's it. There's no specific solution because infinitely many of them. Unless they ask you like list out 3 solutions, then you pick. Like one of them is what? One of them is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Yeah, we're done. Right.
And then okay, so when it comes to the test point, okay, so sometimes when we like have to graph like a line or whatever, it intersects on 0, 0. Not intersect, but like we fight on 0, 0. So like how do you go about like choosing another point?
Let's choose another one beside the line. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Don't choose the one on the line. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, not on the line. It has to be, yeah. Don't stay on the border. Pick a country. Stay in there. Okay, B. One more problem. B. 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 Do you want to change it into you want to change it into y equal mx plus b or leave it like that? Okay. So let me do one at a time. Let me do one at a time. So I got 4x plus 3y greater equal to, well, subtract 4x. I got 3y greater equal to minus 4x plus 12. So far, so good. I just moved the 4x to the right. Divide both sides by 3. I got y greater equal to negative 4/3 x plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay. And then another one. Let me box this one so I don't forget. And then another one, 3y less than negative 4x plus 3. Divide both sides by 3. I got y less than negative 4/3 x plus 3. Oh, plus 1. I'm so sorry. Plus 1. Divide both sides by 3. Like that. Okay, let me rewrite my system of equations. So I got 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So I got 4x. So sorry, I keep saying 4x. Y is greater than equal to negative 4/3 x. You know, can I leave it like that? I don't have to rewrite it. I'll leave it like that, okay? And I'll make this one in red. Red. And the other one in blue. So I don't have to rewrite a second time. Okay, all right, I'm good. So those are two of them. All right, for the red one, what do? What's the first step? Yeah, set y. Yeah, instead of inequality, you replace with the equal sign. And then the slope is, then y-intercept. So from 0 positive 4 right here. What negative 4/3 tell me to do? And right there. And then connect the 2 dot. Dotted or dash or solid? Solid, right? Because the inequality. I'm sorry, yeah, the equality. Right, not bad. I'll wait for you to copy that down. Actually, you know what? I want you to do the blue one. I'll walk around, see how you do it.
On the final, bring the ruler, okay, you have ruler, bring your ID, or when you check out. Just a clarification, you want us to do the test point first for the first equation, or we're going on to this one? Okay.
Yeah, thank you. I forgot about that. Yeah, please do the test point. I forgot about the test point for the first one. Yeah, you guys do it. I'll see how you do it. Oh, they can do it.
You want the answer, you can check it out. You don't have to show me how you put the line, but you can show me. What does it mean?
If there's no overlapping, you have to conclude your problem. Did you guys finish it? Do you have any other solution? We'll check it out.
Don't like the way.
All right, let me continue. So task point, oops. Task point 0, 0, 0, 0, what happened? Is it true or false? You plug into the original, okay, plug into the original. So I got 4 times 0 plus 3 times 0 equal to 12, which is false. False. If it falls, then you shade the opposite side, but the point that you pick. All right. Now for the blue one, same thing. Slope is negative 4/3 and y-intercept is 0, 1. From 0, 1, go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go right 3. Careful, this one. I think there's a solution. I think there's a solution. Oh, maybe there's no solution. There's no solution. Same slope. There's no solution. I don't think I showed this in class, but there's no solution. And then you do the test point. TP 0, 0, plug it in into the original, this one. So I got 3 times 0 less than negative 4 plus, sorry, let me write it nicely. Less than 4 times, negative 4 times 0 plus 3, which is 3 less than 0 less than 3, which is true. If it's true, then you shade the same area that you picked the test point. And because there's no overlapping, no solution. And you need to conclude your problem, okay? That's 1 point just for saying no solution. Expect something like this on the exam. More like the number 5. So something like number 5. Maybe you don't see the no solution, but maybe you see something like number 5. Okay. 6. Yeah. I'm not gonna do C and D. I say I just do 2 out of 4, number 5. And now I'm going to do number 6. Joycelyn is pregnant and need to eat at least 500 more calories a day than usual. When buying grocery one day with a budget of $15 for extra food, she buys banana that have 90 calories each and chocolate chip granola bars that have 150 calories each. The banana costs 35 cents each, and the granola bars cost $1.50 each. Could she buy 5 bananas and 7 granola bars? Okay, we're gonna do this problem from part A to C. Choose a variable, represent the unknown. So what are they asking? What are they asking? Yeah, but what the in context? What's X and what's Y? What banana? The cost of banana, number of bananas. Yeah, it has to be specific number of banana. And then let Y be number of granola bar. And then we're gonna come up with a system of inequalities. Okay, someone come up with a system of inequality. The first one. Mm-hmm. Yes. Let's. Yeah. So let's say let's do one step at a time. So I got you say 90x plus 150y, and then over the right hand side it's gonna be 500, right? It's gonna be what kind of inequality? At least. Mm-hmm. At least. Oh, sorry, so big. At least. So that means greater or equal to. One thing at a time. All right. Second inequality. Someone else. Mm-hmm. And then on the right hand side is how much you can spend? $15. Right? $15. What the budgets mean what? Budget. Mm-hmm. At most $15. She got only her budget is $15. She cannot spend more than that. So at most mean less than or equal to. Okay. We don't have to grab this. According to the problem, we don't have to grab this. The problem C is, could she buy 5 banana and 7 granola bar? Remember, what's 7 represent? Yeah, X equal 5 and Y equal 7. If she can buy 5 banana and 7 granola bars, I mean, that's a solution of the system, right? All you have to do is plug it in, see if it's true or false. If it's true, then yes, she could buy that much. If it's false, she went over budget, she cannot buy that many. All right, plug it in. Let's see what equal to. I want to know what's equal to before I compare with the 500. Plugging in X is 5, Y is 7. What you got? 450 times 7 plus 450. Something wrong here. Did you guys see something wrong? 5 banana and 7 vanilla bars. When you plug it in, what you got? Yeah, which is 1500. Okay. Well, let me see if it. Right now, it looked like it's false. So okay, this is if you compare to the inequality. This is false, right? This is false. Oh no, it's true. I'm so sorry. What's wrong with me? I was in my head. I was thinking less than equal to. She had to only 500. Yeah, not over that. Oh my god. She pregnant. She's not trying to on diet. Okay, I forgot. So true. This is true. And then the second one, 0.35 times parentheses plus 1.50 times parentheses. I want to know what's equal to first. Here 7. What you got have? 0.235 times 5 is 1.75. $12.25. So she okay, right? So she okay, right? So true. So the conclusion is yes, she can buy that many. Yes. Because they both truths. If they false, then she cannot. But they true, so she can. Do you have any question on number 6? That's it. That's all the lecture is all about. This, the other one, like number like 5A and 5B, and then the story problem, which is like number 6. That's it. I forgot. Probably 5 or 6. Not bad. But one of them is just require you to set up the equation, don't solve. So read the problem carefully. Don't want to waste all that time solving. You don't get credit. Okay.